Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Colera, your Las Vegas realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today's video we are touring this Heartland Manor. This is located in North Las Vegas in Tulare Spring, and this is owned by DR Horton. And we are going to tour the 2538 plan. The starting price of this house is $645,990. 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and 3 car garage. So if you have a lot of cars, this is perfect for you guys. Let's go inside and check this house. So welcome to the 2538 plan. Again, there's a 4 bedroom in this house and 3 bath and 3 car garage. And as soon as you get in, you will see this nice foyer. On your left side, you will see the first bedroom. I love that they added that nice big window. And a sliding closet. Located outside is the bathroom. And then there's another bedroom next to it. They're using this for staging. It's an office, but then there's also a sliding closet and single window in this room. The right side, we're gonna check the laundry area. Again, washer and dryer is not included in this. And then there's a linen closet outside. So on the right side, there's another bedroom. So this is the 3rd bedroom. Walk-in. Oh, it's a walk-in closet, which is nice. Because the other 2 bedroom has a sliding closet. And right inside this room, there is a bathroom, full bathroom, walk-in shower, single vanity. And now you're looking at your open layout area, you guys. This is the living room right here. Huge space. Very inviting. Windows. There's a sliding door going to your backyard. And now let's check your modern kitchen. Love this huge island in the middle. In this, what I love about this house, you guys, the kitchen appliances is included. Salesperson was telling me refrigerator is included, stove top. There's a dishwasher over here. And the hood. Love the color of the cabinets. And all their appliances is made by KitchenAid. And now let's check this oven. It's also by KitchenAid. Your microwave also. And let's see if these are soft close. It is soft close. Okay, we'll check your pantry right here. It's a walk-in pantry. So if this is your first time in my channel, you can hit subscribe and don't forget to share and like my video. So now we are in the primary bedroom. I love this bedroom. This is huge. Love, love, love it. Just look at the amount of space you guys have. Again, the starting price of this house is $645,990. Okay, now let's go check your primary bath. Right here is your closet, your walk-in closet. It's also huge. And right across, there's another closet. This and hers closet. Now let's go check your shower area. Separate bathtub right here. Love this one, and I appreciate that they added these big windows. Right here is your walk-in shower and double sink vanity. Again, there's tons of space over here. And this is your water closet. Okay, you guys, now that we're done with this primary bedroom, let's go check the backyard. Really nice over here outside. Perfect for entertaining friends and family. Unwind at the end of the day. Have some barbecue at the weekend. Okay, you guys, what do you think about this house? If you are interested of owning one of this home in Heartland Manor, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And thank you for watching.